Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. You need the Figma app or web access and editor-level permissions so you can inspect and export assets. Once done, open the target file and open the right-hand toolbar. Enable developer mode from View or the toolbar to reveal code, CSS, and export controls. You do this now to expose measurement guides, naming conventions, and asset slices, so you can immediately generate production-ready specs and avoid rework later when handing off to engineers. Next, you inspect components and extract the data engineers need. Select a layer and use the Inspect panel to switch between CSS, iOS, and Android code. This gives you exact properties like color hex, spacing, and font metrics. Make slices or set export presets. Choose SVG for icons, PNG for bitmaps, or multiple scales like 1x, 2x, 3x for retina. Also, make sure to name layers consistently and set constraints so exported layouts behave predictably across screens. To finish, prepare a clear handoff. Share the developer mode link and confirm recipients have view or editor access so they can fetch assets and code. Add concise notes about component states, which variant to use, and required export scales so developers don't guess. If something looks off, troubleshoot by checking for group transforms, hidden masks, or misplaced constraints. These often alter CSS output. If necessary, flatten complex groups or re-export a clean slice to ensure correct measurements and pixel-perfect assets for implementation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.